What if your Ford could hit 1 million miles on the original engine? Smooth, quiet, and reliable. It's rare, but it's real, and it's usually discipline, not luck. In Japan, high-mileage cars stay healthy because drivers stick to simple habits every day, especially around oil changes and cold starts. No pricey parts, no magic additives, just smart routines most people skip. In this video, I'll break down 12 habits you can copy to keep your Ford running for the long haul. Let's start with Japanese secret number 12. Whenever they change the oil, they also take a moment to check the engine's idle speed. In Japan, an oil change is not just about pouring new oil and leaving. It is a full checkup. One of the first things they verify is idle speed. When your engine idles too high or too low, it creates hidden stress. You may not feel it, but your engine feels it every time you stop at a light. If idle speed is too low, the engine struggles to stay smooth. This causes shaking, poor oil flow, and uneven wear inside the engine. Over time, this weakens engine parts. If idle speed is too high, the engine works harder than needed, burns more fuel, and creates extra heat. Heat is the enemy of engine life. Japanese technicians check idle speed right after an oil change because fresh oil shows the engine's true condition. They let the engine warm up, then confirm it runs calm and steady. If the idle feels rough, they fix it immediately instead of waiting for a bigger problem. Secret number 11 is avoiding hard acceleration on a cold engine. Usually when you start your Ford, the engine is cold. The oil is thick and has not reached every moving part yet. In Japan, drivers know this moment is critical. Pushing the gas hard right after starting causes metal parts to move fast without full protection. That is how early engine wear begins. Japanese drivers take it slow at the start. They drive gently for the first few minutes and let the engine warm up naturally. This allows the oil to flow properly and coat all engine parts. Once the engine reaches the right temperature, it can handle speed and power safely. Hard acceleration on a cold engine also creates sudden heat and pressure. This stresses pistons, bearings, and valves. You may not notice the damage right away, but it adds up over time. Another smart habit is watching the engine temperature, not the clock. Japanese drivers wait until the engine feels smooth and responsive before pushing it. This small delay saves the engine from years of unnecessary stress. This habit costs nothing and takes no extra tools. It only takes discipline. The 10 Japanese secrets are one of the most important for engine life. Maintain the cooling system properly. Your engine runs hot, and heat is the #1 enemy of long engine life. Too much heat wears out parts quickly, and in Japan, drivers know how to prevent it. The first step is checking the coolant level regularly. Japanese drivers don't wait for the warning light. A low coolant level can overheat the engine fast, even on short drives. They make sure the coolant is at the right level before every long drive or during regular service. Next, they check the radiator, hoses, and clamps. Cracks, leaks, or blockages in the system can silently raise engine temperature. Japanese drivers inspect these parts carefully because one small leak today can lead to a blown engine tomorrow. Flushing and replacing coolant on schedule is also key. Old coolant loses its ability to absorb heat and prevent corrosion inside the engine. In Japan, this is done on time, even if the car seems fine. A healthy cooling system keeps engine temperature steady and protects pistons, gaskets, and valves from damage. Number 9 Japanese rule is that it protects the engine more than anything else. Regular oil changes. In Japan, drivers do not wait for warning lights or rough engine sounds. They change engine oil on time, every time. Clean oil keeps engine parts smooth and cool. Dirty oil turns thick and stops protecting the engine. When oil gets old, metal parts rub harder, heat builds up, and damage starts silently. Japanese drivers also follow shorter oil change intervals. Even if the car feels fine, they change the oil early. This habit removes dirt, heat, and tiny metal particles before they cause harm. Over time, this one step prevents engine wear that cannot be fixed later. Another important step is using the right oil type. Japanese owners always choose oil that matches the engine, not just what is cheap or available. The correct oil flows better, protects faster, and helps the engine work without stress, especially during cold starts. They also replace the oil filter with every oil change. A dirty filter pushes dirty oil back into the engine. That defeats the whole purpose. A fresh filter means cleaner oil and longer engine life. The 8th Japanese secret is warming up the engine before driving, something most drivers skip, but it makes a huge difference in how long your engine lasts. When you start your Ford, everything inside is cold. The oil is thicker and moving parts are not fully coated. Jumping straight into driving puts stress on the engine, even if it sounds fine. Japanese drivers know that the first few minutes are the most critical for engine life. Warming up the engine doesn't mean idling for 5 minutes. In Japan, Drivers usually start the car, let it run for a short minute or two, and check that the engine feels smooth. This gentle start allows oil to flow to every part, lubricating pistons, valves, and bearings before they face heavy load. A warmed-up engine also burns fuel more efficiently. Cold engines use more fuel and produce more heat and wear. By simply taking a minute to let your engine settle, you reduce wear, avoid unnecessary heat, and protect your Ford from problems that usually show up much later. Secret number 7 is start paying attention to your tire's age, not just their tread. Japanese car owners treat tires like a critical engine part, not just rubber on wheels. This simple habit protects the suspension, improves safety, and reduces stress on the entire vehicle. Let me break this down step by step in a way anyone can follow. First, understand this important truth that tires expire even if they look new. Rubber becomes hard over time. When tires get old, they lose grip and create extra vibration. That vibration slowly damages wheel bearings, suspension joints, and even the steering system. In Japan, drivers always check tire age before worrying about tread depth. Next, learn how to read tire age. Look at the sidewall of your tire and find the DOT number. The last 4 digits show the week and year the tire was made. For example, 3525 means the tire was made in the 35th week of 2025. Japanese mechanics recommend replacing tires after 5 to 6 years, no matter how good they look. This single step saves thousands in future repairs. Now comes the habit that makes the real difference. Japanese drivers track tire age just like oil changes. They write the tire install date in a small notebook or phone reminder. Every year, they check for cracks, stiffness, and uneven wear. This routine keeps the ride smooth and protects the car from long-term damage. The next number 6 Japanese secrets is simple but often ignored. Check engine fluids on a regular schedule. Your Ford relies on oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and more to keep every part running smoothly. Even a small problem with these fluids can silently damage the engine over time. Japanese drivers don't wait for a warning light or strange sound. They check fluids like clockwork. Oil, coolant, and brake fluid are inspected at every service or at home, depending on the mileage. This habit ensures every system is working perfectly before it has a chance to fail. Another key step is looking at fluid quality, not just quantity. Oil might be at the right level but old or dirty. Coolant could be full but contaminated. Japanese drivers pay attention to color, consistency, and smell because it tells them if the fluid can still protect the engine. Transmission and power steering fluids also get regular attention. Even minor leaks or low levels can put extra stress on the engine and drivetrain. By catching these issues early, Japanese drivers prevent major repairs and keep their cars running like new. The 5th Japanese secret is one that can make or break your engine in the long run. Use genuine or trusted engine parts. Your Ford is built to work with specific components, and using cheap or unknown parts may save money now, but it can cost you thousands later. In Japan, drivers and mechanics always choose parts made for the engine. Spark plugs, belts, filters, and even sensors are replaced with quality components that match factory specifications. Using the right parts ensures smooth performance and reduces stress on the engine. Cheap parts might fit, but they often wear faster or fail under pressure. A worn-out belt or low-quality filter can cause chain reactions inside the engine, leading to overheating, leaks, or even serious breakdowns. Japanese drivers avoid this risk entirely by sticking to trusted brands or genuine OEM parts. The 4th Japanese secret may sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to extend your Ford's engine life. Drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking. Every harsh acceleration or abrupt stop puts stress not just on brakes, but on the engine, transmission, and all moving parts. In Japan, drivers treat smooth driving as a habit, not a choice. They accelerate gently, maintain steady speeds, and anticipate stops well in advance. This reduces strain on pistons, bearings, and other critical engine components, helping them last much longer. Sudden braking can also push the engine into unnecessary stress. Even if the car is safe, the internal parts are reacting to sudden changes in speed, pressure, and temperature. Over time, these tiny shocks build up, causing wear that could have been prevented with a smoother driving style. Japanese drivers also pay attention to gear changes and throttle control. They avoid slamming the gas pedal or downshifting aggressively, especially when the engine is cold. These small habits keep the engine running balanced, fuel-efficient, and quiet. The 3rd Japanese secret is simple but often overlooked. Change air filters to protect the engine. It may sound minor, but clean air is critical for your engine's health. Every time your engine breathes dirty air, it works harder and wears faster. In Japan, drivers check and replace air filters on a regular schedule. They know a clogged filter reduces airflow, lowers fuel efficiency, and increases engine strain. Over time, this tiny stress can damage pistons, valves, and other critical parts. Another key point is that air filters trap dust, dirt, and even small debris before it enters the engine. A dirty filter lets these particles slip through, causing internal scratches and wear. Japanese drivers don't wait for problems. They replace filters before they get too dirty. Cleaning the idle air control valve every 2 months is the #2 Japanese secret that plays a big role in engine health. In Japan, drivers believe a calm, steady idle means a happy engine, and they are right. First, let's understand why this matters. When your Ford idles, the engine depends on the idle air control valve to manage airflow. Over time, dust, carbon, and oil vapors build up inside this valve. When that happens, the engine starts to idle rough, hesitate, or stall. Japanese car owners never wait for problems to show up. They clean it early and keep everything running smoothly. Next comes the routine. Every 2 months, Japanese drivers inspect the idle air control valve as part of regular care. They remove the valve, spray it with a proper cleaner, and wipe away the dirt. This takes only a few minutes but restores smooth airflow. Clean airflow means stable RPM, better fuel burn, and less strain on internal engine parts. Another important point is fuel efficiency. When the idle air control valve stays clean, the engine maintains perfect idle speed. This leads to better fuel economy, smoother starts, and less vibration. The #1 secret is easy to do, but this makes a huge difference for your Ford's long-term health. Keep the engine clean inside and out. Dirt, dust, and grime may seem harmless, but over time they quietly damage your engine. On the outside, a clean engine helps you spot leaks, cracks, or worn parts early. Japanese drivers regularly wipe off dust, oil spills, and debris so nothing hides under the hood. When everything is clean, small problems stand out, making maintenance easier and faster. Inside the engine, cleanliness is even more critical. This means using clean oil, filters, and fluids, and making sure no dirt enters the intake system. Even tiny particles can scratch pistons, valves, and cylinders, reducing engine life. Japanese drivers follow strict habits to prevent contamination during every oil change or service. A clean engine also runs cooler. Dirt and grime trap heat, which puts extra stress on parts. Keeping it clean allows heat to escape, making the engine more efficient and less likely to overheat. These are 12 Japanese consistent habits that help protect engines and keep them running smoothly for decades. By following these 12 secrets, you can reduce wear, prevent costly repairs, and enjoy a smooth, reliable ride for hundreds of thousands of miles. Start applying these habits today, and your Ford could outlast your expectations.